Have you ever wondered how cherries make their way from farms to your table? Today, we're taking you inside a modern cherry processing factory to see the fascinating journey of these delicious fruits. Cherry harvesting. It all starts in the lush cherry orchards, where farmers carefully harvest ripe cherries. The best cherries are picked at just the right moment, ensuring maximum sweetness and flavor. These fruits are hand-picked or mechanically shaken from trees using special equipment. Then collected into bins before being transported to the factory. Arrival at the factory and sorting. Once at the factory, the cherries go through an extensive sorting process. They are unloaded onto conveyor belts and pass through a water bath to remove dirt and debris. A mechanical sorting system separates the cherries based on size, color, and ripeness. Any damaged or unripe cherries are removed to ensure only the best ones move forward. Washing and cleaning next. The cherries go through a thorough washing process. High-pressure water jets clean the fruit, while gentle brushes remove any remaining impurities. This step ensures the cherries are fresh, clean, and ready for further processing. Pitting and processing. Now comes one of the most fascinating steps, pitting. Special machines remove the cherry pits with incredible precision, ensuring minimal waste while keeping the fruit intact. Some cherries are sold fresh, while others are processed into jams, juices, and dried snacks. The factory has different production lines for each type of product. Quality control and packaging. Quality control is a top priority. Expert inspectors check for any imperfections before the cherries are packaged. Fresh cherries are packed in temperature-controlled conditions to maintain their juiciness, while processed cherries are sealed for long-term storage. Shipping and distribution. Finally, the cherries are shipped to supermarkets, stores, and factories worldwide. Within days, they arrive at your local market, ready to be enjoyed. From the farm to your table, every step in this process ensures you get the freshest and tastiest cherries possible. Next time you enjoy a bowl of cherries or a refreshing cherry juice, you'll know the incredible journey behind every bite. Whether you enjoy them fresh, dried, or in a delicious dessert, cherries are a tasty and nutritious treat.